In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook Pixel to Gumroad. So first, of course, log into your Gumroad account, and once inside your dashboard, go to the left side menu and open up your account settings by clicking on your profile name. Then go to settings. And from here, switch to third party analytics. And as you can see, this is where you can paste your Facebook Pixel ID. Now to get your Facebook Pixel ID in a new tab, head over to adsmanager.facebook.com and of course log in with your Facebook account. Then in the left panel, go to Events Manager. And here in the datasets section, you can get your Pixel ID. So simply copy the number, then go back to Gumroad and paste it in the Facebook Pixel text box. Once done, click on Update Settings to save your changes. And once it's connected successfully, your Gumroad account can start sending tracking data to help monitor activity and conversions. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.